Okay, so we have the base product, we have the extended data, but we don't have a price yet. So we don't have a price yet, and we don't have a price book. So in order to create prices, we have to put those prices in a price book. And then you can say you can have your default prices, which is your main prices for everyday shoppers. You can have your different price levels. So say you have gold star customers that get a special discounted version of the price. So you can create price books and then assign customers to those price books so that when they log in, they get their price instead of the regular price. We can get as fine-grained as different web channels, different customers, whatever combination you want. An individual customer can have different price books for different projects, etc. So it can get as complicated as you need it to be. But creating them is simple. So you create product price book, and we'll say default and primary prices, and we'll save, and that creates a price book. Now I just go in and I add my SKUs. I can add this guy and then put in $541 and hit save. And now go back to that product, look at the range, look at prices, and the price book, default price. I didn't save it. Oh, I didn't hit save. Yep, I didn't save it. So then go in here, hit prices, and you see the default price. Now, if I want to add volume prices, so say if you buy 10 of these ranges, we want to use a default price book. And if you buy 10, the volume price is $450. we could add that price level, and then we could add a sell price where we pick on the default price book, give it a sale name, and say spring, start date today, it ends next month. Okay, and the sale price is going to be 500. Add sale. So now we have volume pricing. You can get $450 if you buy 10 or more, and if it's springtime, then the price is $500. Save and exit. But let's show doing the same thing through the API. Delete that. Delete that. So now all those prices are gone. So if I jump back to this price and say pricing, all that stuff is gone. All right. In the API, we want to create prices. So we create a price book called default prices that stores the price book ID into a variable. Then we want to add the price. So we're going to take the SKU ID of the product when we created it. It's going to be 541. Hit send. I added that price. So now if I go back to templates and come back to pricing, it's back to 541 with the default price book. So that's prices.